but okay book full of fun. We learn and laugh so happily. B-A-T, bat flies at night. H-A-T, hat fits just right. B-E-D, bed where I sleep. R-E-D, red apples to keep. C-U-P, cup filled with tea. M-O-M, mom smiles at me. S-U-N, sun shines so bright. P-E-N, pen I used to write. F-A-N, fan spins around. B-A-G, bag school bound. D-O-G, dog wags its tail. L-E-G, legs strong and pale. B-O-X, box square and wide. T-O-Y, toy, my joy and pride. Now we know our words with glee. We spelled and smiled so happily. B-O-O-K, book full of fun. C-O-A-T, coat keeps me from sun. S-H-O-E, shoe on my feet. C-H-A-I-R, chair where I seat. M-I-L-K, milk white and cold. G-O-L-D, gold, shiny and bold. R-I-N-G, ring, round and small. W-A-L-L, wall, big and tall. We spell them all with joy and cheer. Let's come back and spell next year.
Please like, share, and subscribe.